Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all ready for another delicious adventure in the kitchen. Today, I'm sharing my secret to making an irresistible French bread pizza that's crispy, cheesy, and loaded with toppings, all in just 20 minutes. This recipe is perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something quick yet satisfying. Perfect for a quick meal or snack. This French bread pizza is sure to become a family favorite. Stay tuned. First things first, let's talk ingredients. You'll need half a loaf of French bread, sliced lengthwise. The bread forms the perfect base, giving you that delightful crunch with every bite. 3 tablespoons of your favorite pizza sauce. You can use store-bought or homemade, depending on your preference. And an assortment of cheeses, shredded mozzarella, parmesan, and freshly grated romano. The combination of these cheeses will give your pizza a rich, gooey texture and a burst of flavor. For the toppings, I love using pepperoni, but feel free to add as much or as little as you like. You can customize your pizza with your favorite toppings to make it truly your own. You'll also need a 1/4 cup of sliced artichokes. These add a nice tangy flavor and a bit of texture. 1/4 cup of chopped or sliced onions. Onions bring a sweet and savory element to the pizza. A small can of mushroom pieces and stems drained. Mushrooms add an earthy flavor that complements the other toppings. And a 1/4 cup of sliced black olives. These add a briny, salty kick that ties all the flavors together. Now preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice your French bread in half and lay it on a baking sheet. Spread the pizza sauce evenly across the bread. Make sure to cover the entire surface to get that delicious tomato flavor in every bite. Make sure you coat the surface with a generous layer of mozzarella. This will be the base layer of cheese that melts beautifully, followed by parmesan and freshly grated romano. These cheeses add a sharp, nutty flavor that enhances the overall taste. Next, arrange your pepperoni slices on top. Then add the sliced artichokes, chopped onions and mushrooms. Distribute them evenly to ensure every bite is packed with flavor. Finish it off with a layer of sliced black olives. Place the pizza on a cooking tray and bake for about 20 minutes. Want it even crispier? Drain and dab the wet ingredients with a paper towel before baking. This helps to remove excess moisture, giving you a perfectly crispy crust. For a flatter, crispier crust, press the bread down using another baking tray before adding your toppings. This little hack also gives you more surface area for extra toppings. After 20 minutes, your pizza should be golden and bubbly. Remove it from the oven and serve hot. The cheese should be melted to perfection, and the crust should be nice and crispy. Enjoy every bite of your homemade French bread pizza. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick and delicious meals. Happy cooking!